Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a bit of an art video. Um, we are going to be doing a wood burning present for my mom because it's her birthday on the 18th. So this is what we will be wood burning. Nice little horse. 'Cause she loves horses. She has horses, and I'm thinking of doing a lovely little floral array on it. See how good we do. I've only done one wood burning before, and it is my little Zelda box. On the side I did some hearts, but not much. I pretty much did that when I first got my I don't know, wood burner. The actual tool that does it. So yeah, hopefully it turns out nice and she likes it. And no elephant in the room. I have a wig on. I wish this was my hair. But yeah, let's get on with the wood burn. we're done, as you've seen. Got my nice, if I can hold it, that hand that doesn't work, doesn't want to grab it. There we go. It still smells like burnt wood, which is awesome. But yeah, that's our finished project. And I'm hoping she'll like it. Because it was about 10 minutes for each of these flowers. So yeah, I think it turned out really good. My stamp on the bottom and dated. I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy with it. It smells delicious. Well, not, I don't think delicious is the word. It smells really good. I love that wood burning smell. But yeah, I'm going to give this to her on tomorrow. on the 20th, and see how she likes it. 'Cause I'm really happy with it. If she doesn't want it, I'm keeping it. But of course she's gonna keep it. Look at all the lights in my eyes. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.